Hello dear students, how are you? And I am back after a long time, but keeping in mind the examination, the cbse examination for class 12 arts stream, and you see there is a change, like the examination has been divided into objective examination and subjective examination. And please don't underestimate any examination, because your career depends on the marks you obtain in your examination. So you can see within 2 months there may be cbse exam, board exam, objective type. And let me tell you frankly, don't underestimate objective type exam, because it may be tough. Why? Because there is nothing, in my opinion, evaluation. Because here whether it's is it correct, the answer is maybe correct or maybe incorrect. So you get full mark if you get it correct, one answer, and you get 0 if you don't get it correct. There is nothing like you will get half mark or something like that. And the examination may be probably held on OMR sheet. So please start practicing also how to fill the circles in OMR sheet, because that can be sometimes time consuming if you are not used to that. And one thing I have to tell you, be sincere. Now it's time to sincere, because if you are not sincere now, then when you will be sincere? So it's better to be sincere now than to regret later. So don't try to assume anything. Examination, what if it gets cancelled again, then we will not have to appear in exam? That is a different thing. But right now you should prepare wholeheartedly for your exam. So objective type exam in history and political science. Now in political science there are two books, World Politics and Indian Politics. May look very easy, okay, this is all these facts I have to know and that I can do. But what if you face questions in exam hall which you don't know? Then there can be a problem. So don't think it is a cakewalk. Better start your preparation, exam preparation now. Suppose that in history and political science there are 3 books and 2 books, total 5 books. So buy a good practice set book, okay, and start practicing from there. And also read your textbook thoroughly. Jot down important points and facts. And there can be types of objectives as well, so better be prepared for them. Don't think you know, because in objective exam if you miss any information, then it's very tough to solve that question. So in history and political science, take care of that. You can go through my other videos where I have explained how to face objective type questions, how questions can be asked. You can also go through cbse sample paper released, okay, by cbse. There you can get the idea. So it's not the time to waste your energy elsewhere. Better now start focusing on your exam. Otherwise again it can be not going to in your favor if you don't study now till October, because in November end or mid-November, I'm not sure, there may be cbse objective type exam. So take care of that. History and political science, both, there are 2 textbook in political science, and in history there are 3 textbooks. Now what we think of objective type questions? We think there may be only multiple choice questions, MCQs, and that will be very easy to solve. But let me tell you sincerely, honestly, that sometimes we think we know all the facts related to a certain part of the chapter, but we may miss important facts, because there are so many important facts there, and the questions can arise from any of those important facts. So you have to practice it again and again. And something more happens with some students, with many of the students, they forget, because they have read that 2 months, 3 months ago they have studied, and suddenly when they face the question they get confused whether the option is B, C or D or A. So I tell you, please keep revising in objective type questions. There is nothing like you get 3 out of 5 or 2 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. It is 1 out of 1 or 0 out of 1 in my opinion. So please take care of these things. That is why I want to give you suggestion, advice and tips. In next videos I will tell you what type of questions can be asked in cbse objective type exams. So please take care of that, and please do subscribe my channel, comment, share. Please tell me what more I can bring for you. So please study well. I best of luck for your exam cbse class 2.